Learning a new tool is often a daunting task, and there's no exception when it comes to training new technicians. With an average 18% turnover rate, it's inevitable to hire new employees once in a while. EMDECS makes the technician onboarding process hassle-free. We've kept ease of use in mind by mimicking real-life workflows within the system, making it even easier for users of any background to understand how EMDECS simplifies their tasks. With its simple user interface, it takes new technicians as little as 30 minutes to learn the software. Each screen also contains a quick training video with helpful subtitles, so even the loud shop can't drown out your speedy learning experience. Get your technicians from zero to hero with EMDECS in no time at all. To simplify your technician onboarding and other workshop operations, visit brightorder.co.uk for a free demo today.